everybody. Dad's been up my butt about making a video, so figured I'd catch you guys up. So over the summertime, I was working on starting my own lawn maintenance company business, and I got a pretty good handful of jobs I'll probably have this upcoming summer, hopefully some more. But got myself a new tractor, and then my grandma helped me get a snow blade. That makes winter a lot nicer. That's for dang sure. Been trying to pick up some side jobs with it, but nothing yet. It's not much grass to mow with all this white crap on the ground. I got a... Here's my deck. Much easier to shovel snow with that off of it. 46-inch. I'll get some grass mowed. These Cub Cadets have really come up over the last couple years. Were the top rated last year for expense and quality. So I decided to try one. So far, I love the dang thing. It definitely gets the job done. Haven't had no problems with it yet. But yesterday it wouldn't start because it's too dang cold and it's a little warmer today. So I'm going to work on getting it off the trailer and back in its cubby where it belongs, out of the weather a little bit. Yeah, so I need to hook up my truck. That's Oscar. That's Big Bird. Let's see if she starts today before I get too crazy with moving everything around. She usually doesn't have a problem starting, but it was really cold yesterday. Come on. Oh yeah, there she is. Cub Cadet! Better introduce Coda Bear. This is Kai's daddy. Oh, Coda Bear. They're both a lot alike. Father like son, huh? Well, that's about all I want to do in this cold today. But one last thing, I'll show you these shirts me and my sister made. Katie. She's been making shirts with her Cricut machine. That's my logo. Mountain Girl Mowing. MGM. Works pretty good. She does a pretty good job. Good on the sleeves. The hood. Pretty exciting. I was pretty excited about it all. Hopefully this next summer it takes off a lot more. Well, that's about all I got for today. I'll try to make another video tomorrow. Dad wants me to make one every day. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Talk to you later.